how to remove the Peugeot 488 front door panel. We will start off by removing the inner door mirror cover, and then you can detach the plug for the speaker by pressing onto this little opening with a very small tool and pulling onto the plug, and that's how you remove the door mirror cover. Next, we'll remove the cover where the door open handle is, and then the cover where the door pull handle is. These are Phillips screws. Go ahead and remove both of these screws. Now for the next part, what holds the door panel in place is the clips on the inside. And how you remove the door panel from the door is you get in between the door panel and the door with a plastic tool and then yank with a bit of force to pull the door panel out of place. Now you can use a clip remover tool, but I'm just going to show you, just by hand. First you want to pull the bottom part out of the door panel first, and then slide it upwards to detach from the window sill. Just exactly how I'm doing in the video. And then you want to lift it up. Same way you put the top in first when you want to refit. Now we'll detach the door open handle cables, and then we'll unplug the window switch by pressing onto that piece there. Now to show you, these are the clips, and you want to make sure this is exactly how it is. You want to make sure these clips are like on the door panel. So if there's any left on the door, get them and put them on the door panel, as it makes refitting much easier.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.